Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So if you are interested in selling your own digital product or maybe a merchandise or even a physical product, there are many ways to do this on internet these days. So I'm selling bunch of ebooks, and these are basically vitamin D books, and there is also an electrical engineering book. These are PDF files. So I'm not printing these books. I'm not shipping anything physical. I just provide the PDF format of the book. And when I set up this store, initially I was not sure which platform to use. There are many platforms, but the ones that are popular and the ones which everybody recommend, they are all paid platforms. So the one that I keep hearing from other YouTubers is Kajabi. But if you look at their pricing, it's $120 per month, assuming you sign up for 1 year. So this is really out of my budget because the products that I'm selling, they are not generating this much revenue. I am not generating $120 worth of sale in a month. So I started looking for some free platforms where I could list my products and sell them without paying any monthly fee. And I basically narrowed down my choice to these two platforms. So one is called Gumroad and the other one is called Payhip. So this is actually hosted on Payhip. Seems like a lot more YouTubers and other influencers on like Instagram and TikTok, they tend to use Gumroad. But when I dug deeper into the features that Gumroad was offering, I found that another service called Payhip, they actually offer better bang for bucks. And let me give you a demo of how nice the page here is. So suppose you want to buy one of these books. Suppose you click here. So you get a nice picture of the book. You have the title of the book here. I can run a sale. So right now I'm running a holiday shopping season 50% off sale, and you can give a brief synopsis of the book. And if people are saying some positive comments, you can put them here. So this looks very professional. And the best part is I am not hosting this website. So if I click here, then I get this checkout box. And the best part is I can then upsell my product. So if you look here, I am offering another 25% discount if you buy my second book. So if somebody is like, yeah, I'm interested in that, they can click on add to cart. Both the books are in the cart and they get an additional discount. So the special discount plus the sale. So the final price is $823. And I have noticed that when I started doing this, I actually have been able to generate, good sales. My numbers have started going up. So I won't be bullshitting here, guys. So let me show you my analytics page. So this is my analytics page from the last 6 months. I'm not heavily pushing these books. I just plug my books in my video in the description. I just say that, hey, if you want to learn more, check out my book. And then this is the sale. So I'm not making a lot of money. So as you can see here, this is 147 bucks that I have made. Total 35 orders out of 3,602 views. So Payhip is charging 5% of your total transaction fee. So if you sell a $10 book, they will charge 50 cents of commission. Gumroad, on the other hand, is charging 10%. So they will charge $1 if you sell a $10 product. And this is the biggest difference between these two. Now, if you look at other features, one thing that you will notice is that on Payhip, you can also sell courses. So there is a facility for online courses, which is missing on Gumroad. Now, one other thing that I love about Payhip is the custom domain. So if you look at my store here, it does not say Payhip. It actually says technopandareviews.com. So I already have a technopandareviews.com website, and I was able to create a shop.technopandareviews.com, and it's linked to my Payhip account, but you don't see Payhip anywhere. So it kind of looks more professional because now you see my branding, and that is something that Payhip will offer you in their free plan. This is not the paid plan. So I really like Payhip. So let me give you some demonstration of the features that Payhip is offering. So you get nice analytics, like you can see here. It will show you all the breakdown of the books that I am selling here. It will show you the source. So most of the source, it says direct, and this is because I am linking my books from my YouTube videos. And the other thing I want to show is the marketing. So in the marketing, you can actually do cross-selling. You can say that, hey, if you buy one product, you will get an automatic prompt that, are you interested in this related product? And if you buy it, you get another 25% discount. So I am running that here. So I have these two books, both are related with vitamin D. So I'm able to do a cross promotion here. And this is actually very helpful. I've noticed that when I do the cross promotion, around 30 to 40% of potential customers, they end up buying both the books. So when these folks come here, when they take a look at the book, they read the synopsis and they are like, hey, I think I like this book, I want to buy it. So when they click on the add to cart, the upselling happens here in the bottom. It says, hey, you got special 25 25% discount if you buy the relationship between vitamin D and the thyroid. So I've seen 30 to 40% of potential customers, they end up saying, yeah, sure, give that to me. Now you can also run coupons. I'm not doing this right now, but you can create a coupon and then you can promote your coupon from your social media post, from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you are promoting your product. You can say that, hey, use this coupon code, get another 25% discount. So for example, I can say create a coupon code. I can pick some coupon code. I can say maybe holiday 2023 or something like that. And you can give a discount. You can say 25%, you can say 50%, whatever discount you want to give. You can set the total number of times this coupon could be used. So you can say, hey, the coupon can be redeemed only once. After that, it won't work. Or you can set a start date and an end date. So lots of choices here. This is really nice. And the best part is this is completely free. So this is not like Kajabi, this is not like Shopify.com. All those platforms, they charge so much money. Kajabi is charging over, how much was they charging? $120 if I bill annually. In fact, if I go monthly, it's $150. $150 every month. I'm not even generating that much sales. I showed you guys my analytics, right? I'm not even generating that much. I'm generating $150 in the last 2-3 months combined. In fact, last 6 months. So that means if I was using Kajabi, I would be losing money. And that's not really a good way to run a business, right? So if you are new into this, if you are thinking of selling a digital product, maybe a merchandise, maybe a course, but you're not sure how many people will be interested in your product, you're not sure how many people are going to buy your product, then don't waste your money on Kajabi or one of these other expensive platforms. Either pick Gumroad or pick Payhip. I will recommend Payhip. They are charging only 5% commission, which is half of Gumroad, and so more money in your pocket. They give you all the features, including a really, nice landing page, which you can customize. So if you click here on the shop, that will take you to my landing page. And this is fully customizable and it actually looks quite good. Now, one other thing that I forgot to mention is the extra credit card processing fee that you will have to pay. But this is true for all services, including Kajabi, where you are paying $150. You will still have to pay the credit card processing. So that's not really different. So credit card processing is around 2% or something. And PayPal is also supported. So you get the option of PayPal or credit card. So you can select either of these two. This all processing will be taken care of by Payhip. So what I've noticed is that the 5% commission plus the credit card transaction fee, so it comes out to about 8%, around 8% to 8.5%. So if I sell $100 worth of products in a month, I make around $92. So that's not bad, right? Because I am not really putting any money in hosting or any kind of subscription fee. Now obviously if you start making a lot more money, say instead of $100 you make $1,000, then 8% would be $80. But say if you are selling $10,000 worth of product, now it might make sense to switch to something like Kajabi, because Kajabi has 0% transaction fee. So they will charge you $140, $150, but after that they will not charge you anything other than the credit card transaction fee. So if you are selling a lot of stuff, if your revenue is very high, then these platforms make sense. Otherwise, I would not recommend these platforms. Go with Payhip or Gumroad. Now you will see a lot of YouTubers talk about Kajabi, and that's because they are affiliates. So the reason they are pushing Kajabi is because they get a commission. So if I am a Kajabi affiliate and if I tell you, hey, you should use Kajabi to launch your digital product, I would be basically lying to you, because I am not really interested in you using Kajabi other than the fact that I will get a kickback, and I'm not doing that here. This is not a sponsored video, guys. So if a guy like me, if I can sell digital products, $147 worth of products in the last few months, then anybody can do it. Trust me, it's not that difficult. And if you are thinking about it, then I promise you can do it too. So start with Payhip. That's what I will recommend. That way you will not have to pay any subscription fee. Whatever you plan to do, get started, put it on Payhip, and then start promoting it from your social media account. So I hope this video was useful to you guys. I will link both Payhip and Gumroad in the video description below. You can check out. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. I'm reaching around 5,000 subs here on this channel, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel and if you like my video. And please leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, concern, or if you have any other suggestions. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.